Hello everyone. Today again I am here with the next video. In this video we'll be covering, as asked by you in the comments, we'll be covering diagrammatic questions all from plant physiology. Plant physiology के आज तक starting from 2011 till date जितने भी diagrammatic questions have come, we'll be discussing. I have everything on the PPT. A few, I think 2 or 3 I'll discuss, and then rest you will do, and I will give you the answers in the next video. Plus, of course, we have the answers for the previous video, that is rearrange the following. The 3 questions which I gave you, I have answers for those. Please check your answers. So let's start. Before starting, please like, share, subscribe the channel, share it as much as possible. Please help us grow. And again, ask your questions in the comments, ask your doubts in the comments. Either I will answer in the comment, or if I think that a video is required, I'll make a video for the same. So let's start. Herein, these are the questions which I gave you. First one, I'll quickly give you the answers. Lens, pupil, conjunctiva, yellow spot and cornea. I'll speak the answers only, not the question and the answer only. The first answer is conjunctiva, cornea, pupil, lens, yellow spot. Second is soil water, root hair, cortical cells, endodermis and xylem. Third, tympanum, stapes, malus, incus, fenestra, ovalis. मैंने ovalis लिख दिया साथ में. Next is ovum, Graafian follicle, oviducal funnel, fallopian tube and uterus. Last is receptor, sensory neuron, associatory neuron, motor nerve and the effector. Then we have the next group answers. First is upper epidermis, palisades tissue, spongy cells, substomatal space and stoma. This I have explained in the previous video. अगर कोई बच्चे जो new देख रहे हैं, इनका explanation is there in the previous video, which you will see in the tab. जब video खत्म हो जाएगा, last में वो 2 videos I will add. And plus जो आपका आई ऊपर बन के आता है, उस पर क्लिक करोगे तो आपको ये वाला वीडियो भी आपको मैंने उसमें डाल दिया है अपने टैब में. वीडियो के ऊपर आई करके आइकन आएगा, उस पर क्लिक करिएगा, यू विल गेट द वीडियो. नेक्स्ट, सेकंड इज रिसेप्टर, सेंसरी न्यूरॉन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, मोटर न्यूरॉन, इफेक्टर. थर्ड इज सॉइल वाटर, रूट हेयर, कॉर्टेक्स, एंडोडर्मिस एंड जाइलम. फोर्थ इज प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टीलोफेज एंड साइटोकिनेसिस. लास्ट इज intestinal artery, intestine, hepatic portal vein, liver and hepatic veins. Next question. First answer is desarge plant, leaf boiled in alcohol, washed in water, iodine added and placed in sunlight. Second is interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Third is seminiferous tubules, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra and penis. Fourth is pinna, auditory canal, tympanum and ear-ossicles. Fifth is soil, water, root hair, cortex, endodermis and xylem. So these are the 3 questions which I gave you to do yourself, and I am giving you the answers for the same. If again you are watching it for the first time, there are a few questions in the previous videos. I have made a playlist, revision 2022-23 ICSE biology. एक playlist बना हुआ है. That playlist is on the main page of the channel. उस playlist में you will get everything. Okay, so let's start. This is the first question. As I told you, I have taken diagrammatic questions from plant physiology. We will solve 2-3 questions here together. Then I'll give you 5 to 6, I think, more than that questions to solve. I'll just quickly slide. थोड़ी देर I'll screen share, and then you can take a screenshot and answer those questions. So the first one is study the diagram below and answer the following questions. ऐसे ही diagrams आते हैं experiments में से. Someone has written the comments, please give us how to solve the questions which come from experiments. So these are all the questions from experiments, from absorption by roots, photosynthesis and transpiration. So first is study. Name the process being studied here. Answer is transpiration. जहाँ पे भी बेटे oil होगा ना test tube के ऊपर, वो transpiration का ही experiment है. अगर oil नहीं है and roots are there, so that is absorption by roots, but if there is oil over it, it will be transpiration. So process is transpiration. Explain the process. So the definition of transpiration, that is loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant in the form of water vapors. Why is oil placed over water? Oil is placed over water just to make sure that there is no इवेपोरेशन टेकिंग प्लेस. क्यों? क्योंकि हम लेवल ऑफ वाटर से जज करेंगे कि कितना ट्रांसपिरेशन हुआ है. सो इफ ऑयल इज नॉट ओवर इट, इवेपोरेशन भी होएगा एंड हेंस आवर रिजल्ट विल नॉट बी प्रॉपर. सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑयल इज प्लेस्ड देयर. Then what do we observe with regards to the level of water which is placed in setup when it is placed in bright sunlight, humid condition and windy day? Now in your book there are these three conditions are mentioned, that what happens when transpiration on a bright day, on humid day and windy day. Same answers will come here, that on a bright sunny day transpiration will be more, so level of water will be more, lower down more. Humid conditions, transpiration will be less, so level of water will remain almost same. Windy day, more transpiration, so level of water will come down in the test tube. Mention any three adaptations found in plants to overcome the process mentioned above. So what are the adaptations? Thick cuticle is there, that is the main adaptation. Sunken stomatas are there, for example in Nerium. Then leaves are modified to thorns, that's an example. So these are certain changes or adaptations in the plants to reduce the rate of transpiration taking place. Next question, again I am again repeating, these are the questions from the previous board papers. So second question given below is experimental setup. Now आपको डायग्राम देखते ही आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए कैसा डायग्राम है. अब यहाँ पे it's mentioned cobalt chloride paper. So what is the purpose of cobalt chloride paper? It changes its color when it comes in contact with water. Fine. So that's why this cobalt chloride is used here. So यहाँ पे भी the aim of experiment is to prove transpiration कहाँ ज्यादा हो रहा है. तो जहाँ पे cobalt chloride जल्दी कलर चेंज कर लेगा वहाँ transpiration ज्यादा हो रहा है, जहाँ कम चेंज करेगा वहाँ कम हो रहा है. तो हमने समझ लिया that this is the experimental setup and what answer should we give. Like for example यहाँ पे लिखा है dorsal surface and ventral surface. So ventral surface is the upper and the dorsal is the lower one surface. So कहाँ पे ज्यादा transpiration will happen? So let's see. Name the physiological process studied transpiration. Explain again definition of transpiration. Aim of experiment is to study the rate of transpiration taking place from more excessive, or you can say to prove that there are more number of stomata present. या फिर to prove that from which surface of the leaf more transpiration takes place. So what do you observe in the experimental setup after R's? Give reason. So the lower surface of the leaf has more stomata on it. So lower surface of the leaf पे जहाँ पे cobalt chloride paper will be there, it will change color quickly. Mention any three adaptations found in plants to overcome. Same question again. So this question shows us that transpiration पे ही two separate questions in two separate board papers. How are they asked? How do they change the question? Next, now this is a question from osmosis and guttation wala chapter, wherein we talk about endo and exoosmosis. So let's see. Given below is a diagram of the cell under the microscope having been placed in a solution. Now diagram dekhte hi aapko you should come to know which solution is this. The cell content has shrunken to one side. That means it is placed in a solution wherein water has entered inside the cell. So when will the water enter inside the cell? When the inside condition has less water and outside it is more. So that means a hypotonic solution, a solution which is dilute. So when it is placed in a dilute solution, the amount of water is yes, it tends to no. So I'm so sorry. That's why I just got confused. So when you place a cell in a hypotonic solution, there are two. I'll just quickly explain. There are two types of solutions: hypotonic and hyperatonic. Hypotonic, a dilute solution. Hyper, HYPER solution, a concentrated solution. Fine. So when you place a cell in a hypertonic solution, a concentrated solution, the cell shrinks. When you place a solution in a dilute solution, the cell swells up. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Shrinkage हो रहा है. But you should remember it is a plant cell. Cell wall is intact. It's a plant cell with an intact cell wall. So cell wall कभी भी damage नहीं होता. It's freely permeable, so allows everything. So herein shrinkage is taking place. That means it is placed in a hypertonic solution. HYPER tonic solution. So let's see the questions. What is the technical term used for the condition? It is a plasmolysed state. In plants, a shrink state is known as a plasmolar state. Give the technical term for the solution in which the cell was placed. That's a hypertonic solution. Label the parts. So 1 is nucleus, 2 is chloroplast, 3 is vacuole and 4 will be hypertonic solution. क्यों? क्योंकि cell has shrunken. तो बाहर तो कुछ तो सोल्यूशन होगा, तो वही सोल्यूशन इज देयर, दैट इज हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन विच इज मेकिंग इट lose water and shrink. Is the cell given above in a plant or animal cell? It's a plant cell. Why? Give reason बोला है, तो आपने कोई अनशंट और रीजन नहीं देना है, आपने देना है that it has a cell wall present in it because we can clearly see the cell wall. So that's why it's a plant cell. What would you bring this cell back? How can you? What would you do to bring this cell back? So what do? We place it again in water. So it will deplasmolize. This plasmolized cell will regain its shape. It will deplasmolize. So what will we do? We will take it up and put it in water, tap water, so that it swells up. So this is this question about osmosis end to end. इसको उल्टा भी दे सकते हैं. There are many questions आगे जो बिल्कुल reverse हैं, where you get the other question. So let's move. हाँ, so these are the questions which you have to do yourself. I'll be placing the screen for थोड़ा time. So that you can have the questions. I'll quickly read the questions for you. Diagram is an experimental setup. So diagram देखते ही आपको पता लग जाना चाहिए. Green portion and white portion is for variegated leaves. I have given you a hint. Next, here it's again an experimental question. Here they have put KOH. KOH जहां पे भी होता है, it absorbs carbon dioxide. So aim is to prove that CO2 is necessary for plants. हर question के लिए I am giving you a tip. Next, again we have a cell. So it says that it is an epidermal cell of onion bulb. This cell was then transferred to drop of sugar solution. So आपको पता होना चाहिए sugar solution is a hypertonic solution. So now what changes take place in hypertonic solution? Next, herein थोड़ा सा tricky है ये question. Herein in this question they are weighing the what? Same question है जो हमने first question किया था where there was oil over the test tube. Here also oil is there on the test tube. Test tube A has oil over it. But it has a plant also. B is just a control. Oil है, plant नहीं है. So it is just to show that change is taking place only in one test tube, and they are weighing also so that to understand that how much water is lost. So this is a tip for this diagram. Again, a diagram जहाँ पे they have given you 3 cells. Cell size is increased, it is decreased and remains same, and then ask questions. So this is end-to-end exoosmosis again. Again a tedious question. Herein they have given you a water plant. एक में टेस्ट ट्यूब में स्नेल है, एक में नहीं है. जो बच्चा ये ऑब्जर्व कर लेगा ऐसा कुछ can answer the questions. And this is 2 processes in one diagram. This is a tip for you. 2 processes in one diagrammatic question. Sorry, I went back. Okay, next, this is an easy one. Transpiration. You can see droplets on the bell jar. Now, this is a very very important question. Rearrange में भी आता है ये, odd one में भी आता है ये, और यहाँ पे भी पूछते हैं ये. So, I have already discussed this picture in the previous video. So, herein you need to answer the questions accordingly. इसमें draw भी करना है diagram. Draw well-labeled diagram route here that as it would appear when excessive fertilizer is added. When excessive fertilizer is added, the roots they tend to lose water. तो shrinkage दिखाना है आपको. Genong's potometer, an important question. I don't know, they have not given it in recent years, but this is a very important question. Here again a water aquatic plant, but here we are talking about evolution of oxygen, so we will answer accordingly. This has a black paper, not a cobalt chloride paper, a black paper. So herein sunlight is important for photosynthesis experiment is covered. Again bell jar wala question, same question. Now herein a leaf with yellow and green portion is there. ये भी एक बारी हम कर चुके हैं. अभी पीछे एक और question था ऐसा variegated leaves वाला. The same question repeated. Herein transpiration वाला same question. वहाँ पे weigh कर रहे थे उसको यहाँ पे weighing machine पे रख दिया है. Same question. Again you need to answer the questions accordingly. Again phloem, endoosmosis, exoosmosis, same question है बिल्कुल. Let's see the answers are also same I think. Almost same. Now this is a question थोड़ा सा tedious है, and again two processes are studied here. KOH solution to prove that CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis. Last question is this. This is transpiration, but थोड़ा सा अलग से पूछा हुआ ये question. So you have to think about this question and then only you will be able to answer. So this is the last question of today's video. So what we have done in today's video, we have discussed almost all. I have covered जितने भी previous board paper में plant physiology से diagrammatic questions आए थे. Fine. So it will give you a set of questions फटाफट इनको सॉल्व करो एंड गिव द आंसर्स एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर्स इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो, most probably a day after. I'll try to upload tomorrow, but then you have to make the video and all, it takes time, so maybe day after tomorrow, so you'll get the answers. And plus we'll take one more category. Abhi recently ek aaya hai odd one out, and I realized that we have left that topic, so we'll take odd one category next time and answers to these questions plus the odd one category. So please like, share and subscribe the channel and ask your friends to also do that. Thank you so much.